Hello friends. Today, we are going to explore a very powerful, calm, and life-changing book in deep detail. The name of the book is Stillness is the Key, written by Ryan Holiday. This is not just a self-help book, it is a guide to living a peaceful, focused, and meaningful life in a noisy, fast, and restless world. In today's time, everyone is busy. Minds are full, hearts are restless, and souls are tired. We are surrounded by notifications, expectations, pressure, competition, and constant comparison. In this chaos, Ryan Holiday gives us one simple but profound message. Stillness is the key to everything we want in life. This book teaches us that true success, clarity, happiness, and wisdom come only when our mind, body, and soul are calm. Core idea of the book. The central message of Stillness is the Key is: when we learn to be still, mentally, physically, and spiritually, we unlock our true potential. Stillness does not mean doing nothing. Stillness means clear thinking, emotional control, inner peace, self-discipline, awareness. Ryan Holiday divides the book into three main parts: stillness of the mind, stillness of the body, stillness of the soul. Let us understand each part deeply. Part 1. Stillness of the mind. Keycap 1. Why is our mind always restless? The author explains that the human mind is constantly disturbed because we overthink everything. We react instantly to every situation. We worry about the future. We regret the past. We seek validation from others. Our mind is always running, like a machine that never stops. Because of this, we lose clarity and peace. Ryan Holiday gives a beautiful analogy. The mind is like muddy water. If you keep shaking it, you will never see clearly. But if you let it settle, clarity appears naturally. Keycap 2. Overthinking vs clear thinking. The book explains that more thinking does not mean better thinking. Overthinking creates fear, anxiety, and confusion. Stillness creates wisdom and correct decisions. Most people think that being busy and constantly thinking makes them productive. In reality, it only makes them tired and stressed. True intelligence comes from pausing before reacting, observing instead of judging, listening more, speaking less. Keycap 3. Power of silence. Silence is a recurring theme in this book. Ryan Holiday says, silence protects us from mistakes. Silence helps us understand situations better. Silence makes us emotionally strong. In today's world, everyone wants to speak. Very few want to listen. But those who master silence gain inner authority and confidence. Keycap 4. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation is presented not as a religious act, but as a mental training tool. Benefits of meditation: reduces anxiety, improves focus, controls emotions, connects us to the present moment. Just sitting quietly for 10 to 15 minutes a day, focusing on breathing, without phone or distractions, can completely change our mental state. Stillness helps us respond wisely instead of reacting emotionally. Part 2. Stillness of the body. Keycap 5. A restless body creates a restless mind. Ryan Holiday clearly says, you cannot have a calm mind in an exhausted, unhealthy body. Today's lifestyle problems: lack of sleep, poor eating habits, no physical movement, constant stress. We push our bodies to limits and then wonder why we feel unhappy and tired. Keycap 6. Discipline is freedom. The author explains an important idea. Discipline is not punishment, discipline is freedom. Simple habits like sleeping on time, waking up early, eating simple food, exercising regularly. These habits give us energy, clarity, and confidence. A disciplined body creates strong willpower, emotional stability, long-term health. Keycap 7. Simplicity and self-control. Ryan Holiday draws inspiration from Stoic philosophers who believed in simple living, minimal desires. Physical toughness, luxury, and comfort make us weak over time. Simplicity makes us resilient. A body trained in simplicity does not panic in difficult situations. Keycap 8. Rest is not laziness. The book also reminds us that rest is essential. Recovery is necessary. Constant hustle destroys balance. Knowing when to stop is also wisdom. Part 3. Stillness of the soul. Keycap 9. Why is the soul restless? Even when people have money, success, fame, they still feel empty. Why? Because they ignore their inner voice. They live only for external approval. They compromise their values. The soul becomes restless when we live against our true nature. Keycap 10. Purpose gives peace. Ryan Holiday emphasizes the importance of purpose. When you know why you are doing something, what truly matters to you, then distractions automatically reduce. Purpose acts like an anchor, it keeps us stable even in storms. Keycap 1. Integrity and inner peace. The book strongly highlights honesty, ethics, moral clarity. Shortcuts may bring success, but they never bring peace. A clear conscience is the foundation of stillness. Historical examples in the book. Ryan Holiday uses examples of great personalities who mastered stillness. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor who ruled calmly through philosophy. Buddha found peace through stillness and awareness. Abraham Lincoln maintained composure during national crisis. Stoic philosophers practiced silence, discipline, and self-control. All these people had power, pressure, and problems, but they chose calmness over chaos. 10 powerful life lessons from the book. Do not react immediately. Silence is strength. Solitude is necessary for growth. Meditation is mental hygiene. Simplicity brings clarity. Discipline creates confidence. Protect your energy. You don't need to please everyone. Inner peace is real success. Stillness is a daily practice. Relevance in today's world. Today's problems. Anxiety. Burnout. Loneliness. Comparison. Digital overload. This book teaches us the solution is not more noise, but more stillness. Instead of running faster, we must learn to pause. Stillness is the key, is not a loud motivational book. It is calm, deep, and wise, like a quiet teacher who changes your life slowly. This book teaches us that peace comes before success. Clarity comes before action. Stillness comes before wisdom. If you want mental peace, emotional strength, self-discipline, a meaningful life, then this book is for you. In the end, if you like this summary, share it with others. Remember, when the world becomes too loud, stillness becomes the key. Thank you.